Hello viewers, can you really buy an iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2026 for just 62,999 rupees without getting scammed? Well, I did exactly that, and after using it for a couple of days, here is my honest experience. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing my experience of buying an used iPhone 15 Pro Max from Mobi Express for just 62,999 rupees. Before we start, this is not a sponsored video or paid video. Nobody paid me to make this video. I visited their store, checked the device myself and decided to buy it. Their grand opening of the shop was on 2nd August 2026 and I thought it would be an interesting thing to see what kind of deals they are offering. And they gave me 2000 rupees instant discount. The actual price was 65,000 rupees, so I got the device at 63,000. Honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. The phone is in very good condition. There is only one tiny scratch at the bottom. Unless you are specially looking for it, you probably won't even notice it. The display, camera lenses, frame and back glass all look great. So cosmetically it's quite satisfied. This is a global Hong Kong variant. That means you get one physical SIM and one eSIM. If you are someone who still prefers using physical SIM card, this configuration is actually very convenient. Now let's talk about the battery health. At the present time of purchase, I got around 84% battery health with 652 charge cycles. Normally these numbers might make some buyers nervous, but here is the interesting part. In real world usage, I am actually impressed right now. I am getting around 8 hours screen on time, which is much better than expected from an 84% battery health smartphone. Of course, I am still testing the battery over the next few days, so I will update you if I find anything wrong in the battery. But my initial impression is definitely positive. Performance is exactly what you would expect from an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Everything feels incredibly smooth. The 120Hz Pro Motion display is still one of the best displays you can buy. Scrolling is buttery smooth, animations are fluid, gaming feels excellent, and watching HDR content simply amazing. In 2026, this display doesn't feel outdated at all. Now comes the big question: was 62,999 worth it? Personally, I think yes. Considering the overall condition, the performance, cameras, premium build quality and the battery backup I am currently getting, I believe this is a solid deal. Can you find a cheaper one? Maybe. But condition matters a lot. When buying an used iPhone, I preferred paying a little extra for a cleaner device. But if you are planning to buy a device, the things that you must remember: the first thing is battery health, then charge cycle count, true tone functioning, Face ID functioning, cameras, speakers, microphones, IMEI with a box activation lock, physical damage if there is. Never rush into buying without testing anything. I tested all these things in 3U Tools in their shop and I find nothing wrong in the benchmarks that are showing in the 3U Tools. Overall, I am happy with my purchase for 62,999 rupees. I think I got a very good iPhone 15 Pro Max. I will continue testing the battery and camera over the next few weeks, and if I notice something unusual, I will let you know. Do you think 62,999 rupees for an iPhone 15 Pro Max with 84% battery health is a good deal, or would you have negotiated a lower price? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this honest review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.